Alright, well it quit raining and looks like the sun might come out. Looks kind of like that wintry fall day. But so I started filing this chainsaw, sharpening the chain, and I thought, well, I'm gonna have to finish it because I really can't do anything out there. It's kind of muddy and it's probably gonna keep raining. But got some people to thank for comments last year. Guys have been watching the channel for a while now, and but you know, Mike's Junk and Rick Johnson and Primson Line Guy and Craig Arndt and Thad Myatt, Story Time with Uncle Kuberan and Mr. Airsoft. And I want to thank Frank Stanton for buying me that tub a few years back. It's been a big help. Some other people, Kevin Kozar, Primson Line Guy, Greg Ickman, James Mahaffey, Rory Collins, Richard Catino, and Mark Swan. I'll eventually get around to some kill switch videos when I get one where it's a good example of one, you know, diagnosing it, fixing it. Just haven't had one yet. Idaho Rifleman. So anyway, thanks guys for all the really kind words and compliments, and you know, just commenting about things, what we can do things better, what we can't, or what if we did right. That's not just me, that's you too. Anyway, sharpening this and got a few different things going on, trying to keep up before it gets cold, and then you know what we're gonna do then. But it's never ending around here, so we can always find something. I got parts and stuff laying everywhere. I don't know why that's up here. This is really pretty easy. They make this like this is some mystery to sharpen a chainsaw. You know, now I got a round blade, 7/16. I think you just gotta, only thing you gotta know about it is just see what size your chain is. Like this 7/16. I got some stumps out here. There were holly bushes. I got tired of cutting them 3 times a year. And then what do you got to do with all the trimmings? And I cut them out. It was about, oh man, it's probably a good 30 yards maybe, or a little more. Cut them dudes out, but I still had to get rid of the stumps in the ground to mow over it. And man, they just, you know, I don't have a stump grinder, and I wasn't going to pay a lot of money for somebody to come over and grind all the stumps out. Anyway, I put a post the other day about, you know, because I get a lot of people that are like, they comment, hey, can you get, I need this and I need that, you know, and then they don't, I went and figured out how to go and look, and most of these people are not subscribed to the channel. So I decided, I'm like, man, why am I answering their questions? They're not even subscribed. I don't get nothing for this, you know. You know, I do. I get some enjoyment. Maybe it helps somebody. But, man, subscribe to the channel. You know, doesn't mean you got to watch it. But, like, it's great if you do watch it. And then also, like, if you comment and, you know, get involved. Because we're always trying to figure out how to do something better or not. Anyway, thanks for coming. Thanks for subscribing, liking the videos. And I know it's cliche, but it's what everybody's doing. And it helps because it takes time to do this stuff. I enjoy it, but I also want to get something for doing it. Because whenever I get to that point and I'm like, man, I'm tired of making videos, especially maybe about this subject, we're going to do something else. I guess. I don't know. But I'm on YouTube. And I'm doing Rumble too. I'm going ahead and posting to Rumble. My feeling about Rumble is they caused me some grief early on. I mean, I had a song that I recorded. I have the legal rights to use it however I want to. I mean, it's an old song. It's actually a record. Nobody's gonna do anything with this record. It's an old group that I did when I lived in Murfreesboro, and I used some intro songs, and so I had them on YouTube. And then I thought, man, it'd be cool to have Rumble just, have them like. So I started posting like Daily Motion and BitChute and Rumble and YouTube. And it was interesting because then Rumble was distributing it. So they get a piece of your pie. Not like anybody's paying me anything to do this. They're not. It's like it's pennies. I mean, not a lot. Like $30 in 6 months. A little more, but not much. Anyway, they went and they put copyright strikes. Rumble put copyright strikes on my YouTube videos. And so I had to take a bunch of time and go back and say, no, like I just kind of, I think, well, you can test it, right? So I did that. And, and I'm like, man, it's just easier if I don't even do it. Don't even use my music. That's where I got this last year into like ad music, And anyway, so I just kind of took that song off of there. Didn't use it anymore. Even though I recorded it with my buddies. And it's called Big Vessel and River Songs. You won't find it anywhere because it's not for sale. Never was. Anyway, stopped doing that, so they kind of got mad at Rumble. I won 3 Rumble battles over there. I still have like a balance of $15.43. So, and then, I don't know. Maybe they're mad at me or I'm mad at them and they never like me. I don't know what the deal is. But I kind of got mad because I'm like, well, Rumble's not going to pay me. They're not going to pay. I don't know this for sure, but then I thought, well, it's all about reaching a wider audience, so I started posting to them. I don't know about Daily Motion or BitChute. I think it's a little bit too much work at this point, so we're not doing that, or I'm not doing that. Anyway, thanks for watching and subscribing and liking the videos and commenting and all that stuff. And well, I guess I get back to sharpening a chainsaw unless you want to watch me sit and just do this. It's really not that hard. I put my light up here because I couldn't see. So I did all these. What I need to do is, start doing these. Anyway, you guys don't want to sit and watch me sharpen a chainsaw. I really don't want to do it either, but it's got to get done. Who else is going to do it? I guess I can take it to somebody, but I'm too cheap for that. Why go pay somebody when I can sit there and do it? We'll talk to you guys soon. I guess this is going to be it for this video.